Okay, by the front door we have a filter grill, which is real easy to open up. There's two latches on the top that you pry open. I would make sure you open them all the way so that you can lay this flat. To remove the old filter, you just grab a hold of it and pull it out. This one was really tight. Now this one's a new filter, so I'm not going to remove it all the way. Just push that back in. Fits in nice and snug. Now the filter size is 12 by 24. The one we're currently using is 12 by 24 by 1, which means it's only 1 inch deep. I do not recommend these filters. They are 1 inch filters are very restrictive for the system, especially at a critical point like this. These are cheap, but I recommend going online and getting the 5 inch deep filters, which I will post a link for. And that's it. That's how you change out the air filter.